Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. I have something to show you. It's the perfect time of year for VISTOP. Riding down the hill on a cloud is so much better than feeling every rock and bump on a typical sled. We loved how these made for a much more comfortable sledding experience. We don't get a lot of snow here, so when we do, it means we need to quickly get out and enjoy it. We can go from jammies to snowsuits quickly thanks to these tubes. They inflate quickly and they hold the air well thanks to this airtight, durable air valve. It also makes for an easy deflate for storage. I feel like this will extend the life of the tube, but it also makes for a better fit in our already too-packed garage for storage. They're made very well. We plan to use these again for water sports so that we can use them all year long. The sturdy and padded handles made it easy to carry on our shoulder. The kids never mind hauling them up the hill because they're not heavy at all. Also, I love the canvas material for its strength, but they also added this protective outer layer to prevent tears and damage, whether you're en route down the hill or just typical kids tearing stuff up. So they hold up really, really well. We've been very impressed by them. We've so been looking forward to the snow because we want to race these tubes. It's been a great winter with them. Hope your family can enjoy them too. And that's my point of view.